Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. Today, I really don't have nothing to talk about. So I figured, since it's Sunday, I'll just do a Sunday pocket dump for y'all. How does that sound? It ain't gonna be a long video. It's just gonna be straight to the point. I just wanted to hop on and say hi. Hi guys. And get it done. Come on. Let me pause this, set this phone down. I'll be back at you. Alright, y'all. So, we're going to do a Sunday pocket dump. First up, I got the Beats. Gotta have these. Great microphones. Cheap microphones. You ain't got to go out and buy one for your phone. Just put this in your ear. It works. And I already had them before I started the channel, so win-win. Come on. And in the right pocket, let's see here, I got the vape. Look here. Built in the USA. Come on. I got the strawberry. Oh, yeah. She's pink and black. It's all good. Don't make fun of me. I like pink. That's the only two things in the right pocket. Should I do the left pocket now? The left pocket. I got a little folded money. Y'all don't want to see that. I got the MCGA slip. Make cutlery great again. This is number 24. He puts the number on it, which it was made. So it was the 24th made out of this leather. I think that's how it goes. On the back, he put Big E. Come on. Jason Beecher gifted me this, so thank you, Jason. It's got a lanyard. Oh yeah. It passes the smell test. You just want to smell? It does, don't it? What's inside? Let me ask y'all a question real quick. Am I the only knife nut out here that names your knives? Do y'all name your knives? Let me know below if you name a knife. I've named a couple of my knives. This one is Old Red because it's a dark red bone from 1971. Straight down Broadway on both blades. There's the PAL side. It ain't got no brass in this knife. It's all stainless steel. You can see it's all patinaed up real nice and neat. You hear the walk and talk on that? Just listen on this spade blade, guys. But this is Old Red. I named it. I've got another one I've named too. I'm bad about it. But man, I love this. 1971 9 dot. Y'all can't see the dots. The way they did it back in the day, you can't see them dots. But this is a 6254 on the tang stamp there. Full size. Excellent. I wish they'd bring back this old looking color. They're trying to on some of them. Got that in the left pocket with some folded money. And got my beanie, of course, Carhartt. I got my Benchmade clipped to my left pocket. When I go to get it, I like to swing around my side like this. and grab it. I don't know why, but I do. I got one on my hip. I don't know if you guys can see that. But right here. I got the purple Appaloosa with the 2 X's for the shield. Rail splitter jack. It's a 1998 2-dot. It is a 6299.5 SS. Yeah, it's got patina and stuff on the bolsters. They do that when they're when I carry them in a slip. I don't know why they patina like that, but they do. I just have to put a little case paste on them and clean it off. But that's the money right there. I love that side. That is a doll baby. This big boy here got half stops. Straight down Broadway. Let me put that up. I think I got one more on me. In the old back pocket on the right side, I have my GEC 86 Barlow 440 stainless steel, high carbon stainless steel, rust orange bone they call it. You can see there, straight down Broadway. Great half stops. This is a 86 pattern. Well, let me just read the tang stamp. 861121. So it's a 2021 86 pattern, one blade. GEC. Or Great Eastern Cutlery, whatever you want to call it. Got that long bolster. Sexy knife. Let me put that back up. And I got the wallet with the kids on it. They put a verse. That's it for me today, guys. Y'all stay classy. You hear?